quickly jump into an included header file with a few clicks of the mouse. Let's try it. We place our insertion point inside the first number include line. Now let's right-click our mouse. At the pop-up menu that appears, we select Open and we are able to view the header file.
Sometimes we need a little extra help when working with programming commands and code. Visual C++ makes it easy to get help anytime we need it.
Let's place our cursor in the first number include text. If we need to find out more information on this particular command, we simply press F1. We now see the Info Viewer topic window activated with a number of helpful items. First, it tells us all about the number include directive. It also gives us examples of the correct way or the syntax to use the command.
Here are all the time-saving keystrokes we covered in this chapter.
Ctrl plus F12 opens an existing document. Ctrl plus Break stops a build in progress. Ctrl plus F5 executes a clean application. F7 builds only files that have been modified. Alt plus 2 places cursor's focus in the output window. Alt plus 0 places cursor's focus in the project workspace window. Alt plus 1 places cursor's focus in the Info Viewer topic window. F1 get detailed explanation for build errors when cursor is placed in the error number. Home places cursor's position at the beginning of line of text or code. End places cursor's position at the end of line of text or code. Ctrl plus Home moves us to the beginning of a page or file. Ctrl plus End moves us to the end of a page or file. Ctrl plus F3 finds the next occurrence of highlighted text or code. Ctrl plus L deletes current line of text or code. Ctrl plus Z undoes our last action performed. Ctrl plus G allows us to move to a specific line. Control copies a highlighted item while dragging and dropping in a new position.
You may pause the tape now to practice on your computer.
To review what we have covered in this chapter, we began learning about time-saving techniques in the main screen area of Visual C++.
We learned about toolbars and toolbar buttons. We undocked and docked toolbars and also learned to move, remove, and add buttons to toolbars.
Next, we examined ways of opening applications and building them. We also discussed ways of stopping and restarting a build.
We discussed the different views on our screen and how to access them with the keyboard. We used F1 to view types of errors and gain more information on items in our code.
Finally, we learned editing techniques to use when editing through source code. Then we briefly recapped the time-saving keystrokes we used.